Assalamu alaikum students. Chapter number 1 for grade 6, primes, highest common factor and lowest common multiple. The first topic is even numbers. Even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2. For example, even number is 2, 4, 6, 8. Even numbers. And odd numbers, the second is odd. Odd numbers are whole numbers that are not divisible by 2. For example, this is odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Even numbers are those number which are divisible by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and it is continue. Odd number. What is odd number? Odd numbers are whole numbers that are not divisible by 2. For example, 1, 3, 5 and 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. Clear? Even number divisible by 2 and the odd number which is not divisible by 2. The third is an important topic is prime numbers. What is prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which has exactly two factors, one and itself. These are prime number. For example, the prime number is start from 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 is not a prime number, 9, 10 is not, 11, 13 and so on. The definition of prime numbers are those numbers that has exactly two different factor, one and itself. 2. The number 2, how many factors of number 2? 1 and 2. The second number is 3. 3 is exactly divisible by 1 and itself. वो नंबर्स जो सिर्फ अपने टेबल से और 1 से जो है डिवाइड हो जाते हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड अ प्राइम नंबर्स. द नेक्स्ट इज कंपोजिट नंबर. द नेक्स्ट इज composite numbers start from 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12 and continue. Composite numbers are those numbers which exactly divide more than two different factors. Composite numbers वो numbers होते हैं जिनके more than two different factors, दो से ज़्यादा जो है वो उसके factors होते हैं. For example, number 4, 1 4 जा 4, 4 1 जा 4 and 2 2 जा 4. The next number is 6. ठीक है? The next number is 6. 6 is divisible by 2 3 जा 6, 3 2 जा 6, 1 6 जा 6 और 6 1 जा 6. More than two factors. 2 से ज़्यादा हों, 3 हो, 4 हो, 5 हो, 6 हो, कितने भी हमारे जो है इससे ज़्यादा होंगे, this means these numbers are called composite number. Prime numbers are those numbers which has two different factors, one and itself. Prime numbers जो है वो numbers होते हैं जो one और itself अपने आप से जाते हैं. Composite numbers, those numbers more than two different factors. 4, 6, 8, 9. 9. 9 is how many factor of 9? 1 9s are 9, 9 1s are 9, and 3 3s are 9. More than more than two factors. Clear? Prime numbers 2 start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, and 13, and the composite number is start from 4, 6, 8, 9, and 12, and so on. And what is 1? Note is 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 ना तो प्राइम नंबर है और ना ही कंपोजिट नंबर है. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay, 1 is neither prime nor composite. Start from 2. 2 is a prime number. 3 is also a prime number. 4 is not a prime number. 4 is a composite number because more than two factors. 5 is a prime number because there are two factors, 1 and itself. 6 is not a prime number. 6 is a composite number, more than two factors. Clear? 1, 6, 2, and 3, more than 2. 2 से ज़्यादा है, this means कि it's a composite number. 7, how many factors? Two factors, 1 and itself. 7 is a prime number. 11, how many factor of 11? 1 and 11. 13, how many factor of 13? 1 and 13 is a two factor of a 13. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on are prime numbers, and the composite numbers start from 4, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, and so on. These are composite number. Okay? 1 is neither prime nor composite. The question is, we take a question, circle the prime numbers. The number 1 is 2. Number B is 27. C is 11. D is 9. E is 40. Number 2. How many factors of a number 2? 1 and 2. Only two factor, 1 and itself. 1 2s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. This means 2 is a prime number. 27. How many factors of a 27? 27 is 1 27s are 27, 27 1s are 27, or 3 9s are 27, or 9 3s are 27. So 27 जो है is a composite number. More than two factor. अब 2 हैं, 3 हैं, 4 हैं, 5 हैं. कितने भी हैं, सिर्फ 2 से ज़्यादा factor होना चाहिए. This is called a composite number. And the third is 11. How many factor of 11? 1 and 11. So 11 is a prime number. 9. How many factor of a 9? देखिए, 1 9s are 9 and 9 1s are 9 and 3 3s are 9. More than two factor of 9. So 9 is not a prime number. The next is 40. 40. 140 is a 40. 41 is a 40, or 40 is divisible by 2. 40 is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. ठीक है, and 0. So how many factor of 40? More than two factors. So 40 is not a prime number. ठीक है, देखें, prime numbers are those number which has exactly two factors, 1 and itself, and the composite number more than two factors. दो से ज़्यादा जो factors होंगे वो हमारे होंगे composite number. ठीक है, क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? ओके बेटा, टेक केयर एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़.